Would you be able to tell what this is by looking at the box? Because I can't.
Just do it. Just drink. Drink, 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 drink.
Cheers and welcome to Beer and Headshots. I am J-Bar and this is not a sponsored video, but AMVR decided to reach out to me to send me this Quest 2 controller accessory. Their claim here is that this controller accessory gives a more realistic weight and feel as if you were holding on to an actual pistol or handgun. Let's see if that's true. On Amazon right now, you can get this for about $28. It's $27.99, and the reviews are actually good. There's almost 40 reviews on it, 4.5 stars, usually something that you look at when you're buying stuff off Amazon. But I really can't get over how this packaging doesn't show the product at all. You know what I'm saying? So if you even look at the back, I'm assuming the reason for that is they don't want to have packaging that like says gun or makes anything look like a gun. Maybe that excuses it. That could be understandable. When I first opened this, it was really weird to see that. You couldn't really see what the actual product is. Let's unbox this and see what it looks like. Here we go. I've never done an unboxing video on the YouTube before. This is kind of fun. Let me know if you like these kind of things. See, like something like this, I mean, that could have been better on the front of the box, right? Can you guys see that? Yeah. Right? But I don't know. Again, maybe there's something weird about showing something like that on your packaging when you're shipping it out. I don't know. So we only have 3 pieces here. This seems very easy to put together. So you got kind of your slide bit here. So this should just go like that. So just kind of clips in there. Controller should just slide right in there. Look at that. And then this piece, see if I can show it to you while I do it. Come on, get in there. There we go. Just slides right in. And I mean, like, you know, it does have kind of a neat look to it, right? Little flashy, that little gold accent in there. Kind of makes it, you know, a little more futuristic, maybe cyberpunk looking. And a little ASMR. I mean, yeah, it takes no time at all to put these together and check them out. Here they are. I mean, obviously, definitely adds a little bit of weight to them. I don't hate the way that the grip feels. To be incredibly honest, this does just feel like one of those things. It's very, very gimmicky. You know, maybe something that would be a good gift for if you have a younger sibling or a cousin, niece, nephew, something like that that's into, you know, these kind of accessories that would feel cool using them. Because really at the end of the day, a lot of this is just aesthetics, right? You can really only use these in games that you primarily would use a pistol for. Some of the ones that they recommended to me was Pistol Whip, Arizona Sunshine, and things like that. If you play a lot of something like Pistol Whip, I could see this being a little bit fun to use, right? Because you can have the dual pistols mode, or even if you're just using one, you know, kind of helps you steady and shoot. Might feel kind of cool there. So I could see some benefit to that, but really the actual benefit to this would be the added weight, making it feel a little bit more realistic. The pistol grip's okay too, so I don't hate that. And just so you know, there is a hole for the strap of the controller to go through so that you don't drop them. I just don't have the straps on my controllers right now. Lately, I've been using the Kiwi Design Pro controllers, which have kind of an extended controller grip and its own strap, and those wouldn't work with something like this. So another thing to keep in mind, if you have any other accessories that are kind of, you know, attaching to this part of your Quest controller or to the grip, you wouldn't be able to really use it with this. That's really all this is. I mean, the added weight, again, it kind of helps. I mean, you see a lot more things like that these days. Like there's little dumbbells you can add to your Quest controllers to add weight for fitness. It is, you know, a bit of a benefit to get a little bit more of a workout while you're playing. So not a bad thing. My final thought on these is these would be great for a gift if you got someone in your family or just, you know, someone that's really into having these kind of gadgets for the Quest. You know, for a VR enthusiast, maybe someone who's really just trying to collect everything they can and to use everything they can, that would also apply here. But this really isn't game changing unless you are just a hardcore pistol whip player or someone who pretty much plays a lot of VR games where you're only using a pistol. Then you might like these. Again, they kind of look cool. So if you have some friends over and you're trying to show off a little bit, maybe that applies too. These are probably not something that I would have picked up on my own. You know, now I have them because AMVR sent them to me, but they're probably going to sit on a shelf for a while. Maybe I'll show them to people if they come over, if they want to, you know, try pistol whip or something. But definitely more of a novelty instead of like a high function accessory that you're going to always want on your controllers. It's not too bad, huh? You got some skills. Well, that's all I really have for you guys today. I knew this was going to be a quick unboxing and I had a little bit of time here, so wanted to get this one out of the way. Just remember to subscribe and hit that bell. I plan on reviewing a lot more of these types of accessories as I get them. I have some more stuff coming in and I got a lot of cool videos coming up in the future here, so would love to see you around. You can also catch me live on Twitch using a lot of really fun immersive VR tech and just overall having a good time on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Central Time every week, so feel free to check me out over there. And last but not least, make sure you check out my Discord community. We have a great time, lots of fun VR folks over there, and we also do VR community nights once a month that you can sign up for and participate in. Cheers, and I hope to see you guys next time.